Make sure you scan your badges quickly.
Keep the line moving, let's go!
Before we begin the creation process, take a look at the finished product. Their realism is simply astonishing. The process begins with workers carefully preparing highly detailed molds that will shape the baby doll's body parts.
The viscosity looks good on this batch.
Yeah. Agreed, the pigment is fully dispersed.
Once ready, the liquid silicone is slowly poured into the prepared molds. This step is great.
The surface finish on this section is slightly off specification, but the thickness is correct.
It meets the threshold for approval. Let's move it forward.
The blushing looks perfect right there.
Yes, the layers are blending well now.
The painted parts are placed in controlled drying systems where the colors set properly. This process helps lock in the skin tones.
I'm applying a corrective wash now to balance the pigment.
Ensure the texture remains consistent after blending. Using specialized needles, each strand is carefully implanted one by one. The process is slow and precise, ensuring.
We have several eye options available, including striking blue, rich brown, and soft gray. Each shade is selected to
The rooted hair is lightly washed and styled again to settle naturally. Each doll is carefully placed inside the box with protective wrapping. The soft skin tone and delicate features are secured to prevent any damage during shipping.
Okay, set it down gently. Watch the gap.
Watch the gap.
All clear, retract the forks.